welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make potato and leek soup. Yes, it's a good soup, quick and easy, and it's good to have all year round, not just for winter. So we're going to make our own vegetable broth. That's what I don't understand. In one hand you go buy, you spend money for vegetable broth, and the other hand you do that, you throw out the trimming in the garbage. So let's use all the trimming and let's make our own vegetable broth. And we'll start here with the leek, and that's part of the trimming, all going into the boiling water. And for the leek here, we're gonna go up to the light green, at the end of the light green here, and we'll chop it. And that's what we're going to use for the soup, and this one here for the vegetable broth. Instead of throwing it out, it's going to be in the vegetable broth. Salt and pepper. The end of the onions, chopped celery, the end of the asparagus, whatever vegetable you have, garlic, carrot, little parsley, the end of a fresh lemon, little bit tarragon, a few bay leaves. Mix it up a little bit and let it boil for 15-20 minutes, and that's what we're gonna use for our soup. We're making our own vegetable broth. Nice. Now at the time we're waiting for our vegetable broth to be ready, we're gonna saute our leek and the potato. The potato already peeled and washed, and the vegetable all washed as well. And especially for the leek here with the fin and the green part, you slice it in half, then you open it up and you rinse it under the water, so because it's collect a lot of dirt here. And they're all clean and ready to go. So let's start slicing the leek first. Lovely. It doesn't matter how you slice it, because at the end we're going to blend it. So the stove on a medium high. Put butter, put the leek in, and the potato as well. Doesn't matter how, you just dice it, slice it, all going to be blended at the end. Voila, put everything there, a few cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit olive oil to it. Nothing better than the saute flavor in the soup. Beautiful, look at this. Here you go, our potato and leek here. It's getting sauteed, almost ready. The broth is ready here, so now let's move the broth and put it on top of the potatoes. Turn off under the broth, bring my strainer, and let's go with our vegetable broth. Lovely. Now we're gonna let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes, or till the potatoes are very, very soft, and we're gonna blend them. Nice, potatoes good to go. I didn't pretty much time it, but what I did here, I was watching the potato to be like really soft. It's easy to break. And now it's time to blend them. There you go, take a couple of minutes and it should be ready to go. Nice, beautiful and smooth. The soup is ready to go. Beautiful. Turn off. Let's give a try first. Yummy. Yummy. It's really good. Now it's let's put it in a bowl. Serve it and enjoy our soup. Put one more for me. Voila. Lovely. I can't wait, it's hot. It's unbelievable. It's a really yummy soup. So potato and leek soup, it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.